Hey everybody, I'm here today with an Acura RDX key fob tutorial. I'll be showing you how to use it. It's very simple. It is a very sophisticated key fob, but using it is actually extremely simple. So you have a few buttons, okay? We're going to start off with the most simplistic one, which is going to be the unlock button. Okay, so if you take a look right here, I'll bring it into a little bit of a better lighting. The unlock button, if you push it once, it unlocks just the driver's side door, and you push it again and it unlocks all of the other doors. Very simple. And you notice that the mirrors unfolded when I did that. Now the lock button, when you push it, it locks the truck and it folds in the mirrors. You push it again and it gives you that beep, which is just an audio indicator that it's actually locked. So, you know, usually people will push it twice because you get that sound, so you know that it's actually locked, okay? This button right here is actually used to pop the trunk. So if you press and hold it down, okay, it actually lifts up the trunk to the height that you have the trunk set to, okay? And it's really easy to use, very simple, okay? And if you press and hold it down again, it brings the trunk back down. Really straightforward, okay? This button right here, which shows a little horn and it's red and it says hold, if you hold it down, it is the panic button. When you hold that down, the horn is going to beep very loudly continuously, okay? So you want to make sure that you're only, and I'm not going to do this because this is in my house and I don't want to disturb the neighbors, but you press and hold it down, the horn will beep loudly continuously, so only use it in an emergency situation when you actually have to use it. And then we have the engine hold button right here, which is actually the auto start button. So what you want to do is lock the truck and press and hold that down, okay? And you'll see the LED just like that. And now it auto starts the engine. Really easy to do. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.